Today we're going to be talking about two important factors that you need to understand before trading the markets. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Beautiful sunny day in Perth. Two key things that you need to really understand before you're trading, or before you start trading, or if you're already trading, that you need to really remind yourself of every single day. Number one, the first thing is that anything is possible. And like Mark Douglas talked about this in Trading in the Zone and Disciplined Trader, when you understand that you need to expect the unexpected on every single trade and that anything is possible, you need to understand, therefore, that number one, you need to manage your downside. So placing your stop loss orders or predefining your risk, position sizing, leveraging correctly to your account size and your skills, and really understanding that not only on the downside but on the upside. So if you get into a really strong moving market, trying to pick a target sometimes can find you're leaving a huge amount of money on the table, because some markets at some point, like the Turtles really talked about this, and this is why they had a trailing stop where they were willing to let markets come back against them after they broke out, was that because they got into some explosive markets, and some of those markets went on runs, continued runs beyond 10R. And those are the markets that ultimately will return big profits back to your trading account. So number one, understanding that anything is possible and to expect the unexpected. And number two, understanding that trading is a game of not probabilities, but possibilities. A lot of people talk about probability, but at the end of the day, every single trade, the outcome is unknown. And because the outcome is unknown, it's 50-50 at best. So that's not a game of probability, that's a game of possibility. And when you understand that, again, you understand that number one, you need to predefine your risk or manage your downside. Always play great defense, like Paul Tudor Jones talks about, on every single trade. And have an asymmetrical risk-reward opportunity in your trading equation. It doesn't mean that you need to take a profit target, but you need to have some sort of extrapolation of the range that you're placing your stop at for the market to move in order to have a profit target. So for example, you may have a 3-to-1 target in terms of how you base the technical aspect of your trade, but that market may explode through and go through 7 or 8R. But you need to have some sort of way of identifying asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities. And the key thing about all of that is that, it's always about smaller losses and bigger profits. We talk about retail traders often take small profits and large losses, but it's more about technically being able to identify markets that offer you an entry trigger, but also have an asymmetrical risk reward on that trade setup. So when those two ingredients come together, then you've got a strong equation for approaching the markets, not only with an equilibrium mindset or having a reasonable expectation on your trades, but you're also focused on the trading process and not on the outcome, about being right, about winning, or about how much money you're going to make. If you focus on those two things and you're consistent and you have an edge over the long term and you're monitoring that positive expectancy, chances are you're going to be banking profits. And that's when you can start to look at how to pyramid into winning trades. That's how you can look at different types of strategies to be able to add positions into strong markets. But number one, expect the unexpected, anything's possible. And number two, knowing that trading is a game of possibilities. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. Every day, bulletproof yourself for success. Learn something new every day, apply it to the markets, keep getting better, stay focused, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined and may the markets go with you.